Hey everyone, so you want to create your own phone case instantly with AI. So today in this video, I'm going to show you, I'm going to describe and teach you an incredible tool, and the website URL is phonecaseai.com. So this tool will allow you to create stunning, beautiful and personalized cases in seconds and no design experience needed. So let's move to my screen and let me show you how we can do this. So you can open phonecaseai.com and here you can see like create your own phone case instantly with AI. So this AI phone case generator helps you to create stunning personalized cases in seconds, as I told you, and as I also told you, there is no design experience needed. So you can click here, create your phone case now. Now here you can describe your dream design. See in the background you can see a lot of incredible designs. So here you can, whatever you like in your phone, you can type here. For example, I will type here seamless pattern of stars, clouds and moons in soft pink and purple. So if I click here on create, so you can see it is creating the design. Just a few moments you will have to wait and the design will be ready. Perfect. You can see this is seamless pattern of stars. You can also see clouds, you can also see and moons also, and it's in soft pink and purple. You can see amazing. See, so you can process the design and then you can place the order. This is the next step that you can do. You can select your country and other things. For example, you want in United States, so you can select United States, then you can select your phone model, then you can continue and everything you can create, and you can proceed the order here actually. So phone case created, loading it's now, so you can proceed it. And this is the phone case you design without any designing skills. So here you can see United States, then you can proceed with the secure checkout process. You can also save 20% if you use this code launch20, just showing here, and you can see how it's looking stunning. It's amazing. So we will go back and let me show you. For example, we type here magical forest with glowing mushrooms and fairy lights. So if this prompts now, if I click on generate, it's creating the design. So we will see how the magical forest will be with glowing mushrooms and fairy lights. It's amazing. You can see here, see, it's the magical forest, and you can see here with glowing mushrooms also. See, glowing mushrooms, and it looks incredible, and fairy lights also. Yes, and for example, this is with some blurry background. So it gives you 3 options. So you can select any one of them. You can also click on regenerate if you are not satisfied with the result, or you can change the prompt. So there are different options. So not feeling inspired, try again. So you can click on regenerate and it will regenerate some more options. So you can see generating. So this is also amazing. See, for example, now you like this one, so you can select this and processing design. So the next process I told you, you can select your country and you will have to pay some amount, and secure checkout process, and you can get your own personalized phone case at your home. So this was the easy process, the easy method that I explained you to design, to create stunning, beautiful phone cases instantly with this AI tool. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.